It's an honor to introduce to you our broken screw removal instrument set. The broken screw removal set is with 2 trees. This is the first tree. There are star screwdrivers, hexagonal screwdrivers, and others. This instrument set is applied to orthopedic implants, used to remove various types of screws, including trauma-ordinary screws, locking screws, cannulated screws, spinal screws. This is the second tree with T-handle and straight handle. Also other removal devices. The set may take slipping screws, damaged screws, deep or tight screws, and so on. The screws are as follows: 1 to 4.5 cortical screws, 4 and 6.5 cancellous screws, 3 to 7.3 cannulated screws, 2 to 6.5 locking screws, 3.5 to 6.5 spinal pedicle screws. It features durable and lightweight. If you are interested in, contact us free for more information, please. Thank you and have a nice day.